What's good, y'all? Last night I was at work and tell me why my car didn't start again. So it's early in the morning. Me and my mom, we about to go up to Walmart to try to get me another battery. Hopefully this works and stays good this time, because the battery that they put in there, supposedly it has a 3-year warranty, but I need a receipt and I don't got the receipt. So looks like I'm beat. But yeah, man, make sure y'all watch the video all the way through. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, you know what I mean? Go ahead and join the family, man. We lit over here. See y'all whenever I get to the store. Like I said, man, hopefully I can get another battery in here, because I'm getting so tired of like having to get jumped off after I get off work, bro. And I get off work at like 11 o'clock. So there's people walking around. I'm just sitting there with no car, you know what I'm saying? Like, no lights on, nothing. It's a bad deal. But we gonna get this battery. We gonna get it right. All right, so as y'all can see, we inside Walmart right now. Boy, I look so hit in the morning, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, we back here. We headed to go get the battery right now. I done took a video of it so I could tell, like, you know, which one to get. Pretty sure they got like some little thing where I can put in the information and find the right battery. Because if I don't, I'm not going to be able to get the word. Why you didn't see that girl outside that we walked past at first? I said, you didn't see that girl that we walked outside past at first? Okay, so we was walking, right? And tell me why she was walking and she looked directly at me, right? Because I was looking at the, I was looking at the door. And you can see the reflection. I looked up, she turned directly around just like that and just stared. I was like, dang. But you know what the crazy part is? She was with her mans. That's weird. See, man, that's the reason why I don't trust girls, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't trust y'all, man, because y'all weird. Okay, so what's this?
Car.
Oh, I was like,
Yeah.
yeah. No, you gotta go back. It's looking for the mate. Mate, you gotta go to F. Dang, where's that? Huh? Oh, I was like, routine, understand, 3.7. Oh. Okay, driver start plus 6. Yeah, right here. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. At least it's not that. Sometimes you just get that. Let me see back of her feet. Sorry, hey, I got you. Show y'all how strong I am. One hand. I just picked it up with one hand. Sight. Now it's time to go back home and put this bad boy in. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, God. Yo, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to slam your door like that.
These doors are heavy.
I know. Mine the same way. I'd be mad. Whenever people just get in the car and they be...
No, when mama, she be like, pow!
All right, we back at the crib. We gotta get this right here. So dirty. It's my other car. Gotta get that right. And see, that's the messed up part. I was literally planning on getting this one right so I can put this car down for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But I can't even do that now because I have to spend money and get this car back right before I can even do anything. So crazy, man. I would be so mad if I got this and it didn't fit. I swear I would be so mad. Right. Oh yeah, it's the right one. It's perfect. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go get my stuff, bro. I'll be right back though. Bro, my truck is so dirty. Where's this thing at? I can't never find it, bro. Where is it at? I think I know. Okay, yeah, I found it. I was about to say, I know I had it in here somewhere. Bro, if there's women watching this, I'm gonna just say this. Get you a man that knows how to work on his own car. You feel me? Cause you're gonna need it one day. Alright, so I finally got this shot on here, yo. Like, I almost got electrocuted multiple times. Just gonna crank this bad boy up, see what he do. Yeah. Okay, I never know how that goes on. But we about to see how it works. But maybe it's because it's a new battery, you know, it's gotta adjust, but it better work. That thing was like 100 and something else. Now, let's see. She said it was gonna reset all my stuff. Let's see. It didn't reset nothing. Everything's the same. Like literally all my stuff is right. Let's see if it changed my Oh, it did. It actually did. It's just because it was brand new. But hey, man, we back lit, man. You know what I'm saying? I fixed the problem. All I had to go do is go get me a new battery. Now, I just gotta get rid of this one. On my way to work today. Just gotta get rid of this right here. Oh wow, it does have a handle. Bro, I'm so dumb, yo. Hold up, does this one have it? Oh no, they took the handle off this one. I was about to say, bro, like, I'm gonna be so mad if I come on now. But yeah, this definitely going in the trunk. Bro, I'm so mad though because I'm supposed to be, well, I was supposed to be going with Gabe to go get his tent taken off his car. But I had to do this. So now I'm just stuck. You know what I'm saying? Like I could have literally been over there. But, hey man, sometimes we just gotta do what we gotta do, you feel me? Yeah, all right, man, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video, man. I know y'all like to see, like, you know, the problems and stuff that I go through with this car and, you know, just the, you know, the real deal. So that's this. And hopefully I can get my filler neck and stuff fixed. And, you know, we'll be back on the road, you know what I'm saying? I mean, little simple fixes here and there. That's one thing you always gotta do, make sure your car is straight, bro. Like, don't be just buying stuff for it, like spoilers and all that crazy stuff, before you get your internal stuff fixed. Like, you gotta make sure car is in tip-top shape if you're gonna be, you know, decking it out. But anyway, man, y'all boys stay safe, y'all girls stay safe, no cap, and stay blessed. Peace.